Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Eva from Lemme. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to create a Wikipedia account. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Google. At the top you can see this search bar. Tap on that. Now type in there Wikipedia sign up. Now over here you can find different links for opening Wikipedia account. Scroll down to the bottom. You can find this option, sign up for a Wikipedia account. Just tap on it. Again scroll down. Tap on this option of create my account. Now you have to fill up this information. Firstly, you have to enter your username. Type in password. Again confirm your password. Now you have to enter email address. Scroll down. Just type in this captcha. Tap on create your account. Now here you can give some answers in the case you want, but if you don't want to, then you can just tap on this option of skip the survey. I'm gonna do that. And here you can see that I have easily created my Wikipedia account. This is how you create your Wikipedia account. This was very easy and simple process. I hope now you guys are clear about how to create a Wikipedia account. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.